In which country the greatest tornadoes occur? United States of America. Name the drug known as Wonder Drug. Penicillin. Whom used the Wonder Drug at its initial times? US Navy and Army. When was penicillin made public? In 1944. Which is the saltiest sea in the world? Dead Sea. Which color indicates highest temperature? Dull red. Why Dead Sea is known as Dead Sea? Because of its saline nature and don't drown people. What type of beetle is the scarab worshipped by Egyptians? Dung beetle. What is effect on your weight as you go down into earth? Decreases slightly. What is fog? When dust particles get entangled entangled in air particles in atmosphere. What is smog? Smog is the mixture of dust and smoke particles entangled in air, which scientists are studying in the motion physicist, which is the force resisting motion of different objects. Friction. Which ball would travel long distance if launched from catapult? Either cotton or iron ball. Why do cotton ball do not travel long distance if thrown? Because of light weight. Which force is pulling earth towards its center? Gravity. Who gave the laws of motion? Newton. Will adding weight to your car affect its motion? It will move slower than normal speed. What is the light year? The distance traveled by light in 1 year. Which law says that an object in motion will stay in motion unless another forces changes that? Law 1. Which law of motion say that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? Law 3. What is acceleration rate of change of velocity? What is force? The push or pull. Define weight. The force of gravity on an object. What is LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. What does LPG contains? Butane and propane. What force is used for the launching rockets? Air pressure. What is the Bex explains why your body leans to the side when taking a sharp turn in a car? Inertia. Which component of soil is made of the lining living materials? Previously organic matter. What is the name of scientist who studies plants living or dead? Botanist. Oh, what is the name of gadget used for the detection of feeble current? Galvanometer. What does a meter reads? Current. What are the leaves called that people use to flavor their food? Herbs. Which is of the component of solids absorbing water at most? Clay. What is the most important factor for the conduction of photosynthesis? Sunlight. What part of the flowers are containing the pollen? Anther. What are the tiny tubes called inside the stem that bring water from the roots to the rest of the plant? Xylem. Is sunlight a must for the process of pollination? No. Through what the plants are using their life cycle? Seeds. What is not considered as the fruit scientifically? Broccoli. From where does the plants are getting energy? Sunlight. Which part of the plant attracts insects to help with a pollination? Flowers. What is the most important for living things to live? Oxygen. What are the two holes of human nose known as nostrils? What is the optical phenomenon in the fringe pattern of CD? Interference. What are the exchange particles in the quark-quark interaction? Gluon. On what is the principle of working of rocket based law of conservation of momentum?